function f is given by f of x equals x squared minus 9 over x squared plus 8x plus 15. Which of the following describes the function f? They care about holes. Holes exist when you have a parentheses and you have the exact same amount of parentheses up here that you have down there when these two guys are exactly the same. So what I need to do is I need to factor the numerator and I need to factor the denominator and see if I have something up here that's exactly the same as something down there. If I do, hole. Now I have x squared minus 9, that's a difference of squares, so two numbers that multiply out to negative 9 that are the same digit are going to be x plus 3 and x minus 3. Two numbers that add up to 8 and multiply out to 15 are going to be x positive 3 and x positive 5. Now what I care about are the numbers that make each factor equal to 0. Negative 3 would make u equal to 0. Regular 3 would make u equal to 0. Negative 3 would make u equal to 0. Negative 5 would make u equal to 0. I only care about one thing here, and that is the hole. Again, the hole exists when I have a parentheses up here that's the exact same as the parentheses down here, and no more repeats anywhere else. That happens right here. So my factor is x plus 3, but the magic number where that happens at is at x equals negative 3. So there is a hole at x equals negative 3. And that's my guy, baby.